The question is, if y is equal to sine inverse square under root 1 minus x square plus x under root 1 minus x 4, then show that this. So what we can see in this question is it's kind of sine formula here. It, it is in sine inverse outside. Can I get some sine function inside? So that is the idea. And I observed that it is if this is sine A cos B cos A sine B, then we can get a sine function inside. So we will do substitution, and substitution we will put say x squared is equal to sine A, and x is equal to sine B. Here x is equal to sine B. If x square equal to sine A, this will imply A is equal to what? A is equal to sine inverse x by definition. And also by definition we can say B is equal to x sine inverse x squared and B is equal to sine inverse. Okay, so we can write these two quantities like this. Next, if I have x squared is equal to sine A, can I find what is the value of cos A? Okay. Cos A will be square root of 1 minus sine square A. Okay. So it is under root 1 minus x square square. So 1 minus x to power 4. What will be cos B? Cos B will be same square root of 1 minus sine square B. So this is under root of sine B. I have here x, so 1. Now coming back to the question, I can say therefore y is equal to sine inverse of square root x squared, which I will write x squared is equal to sine A, and under root 1 minus x squared is cos B, plus under root 1 x is here we have sine B, and plus sine B, and this is 1 minus x4 is cos A. So I just rearrange it. Actually this is sine B cos A, so I rearrange it. Let me sine B right as it is. Fine. So this is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, which is the formula for y is equal to sine inverse of sine A plus B. This is the identity for sine A plus B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Next, sine and sine inverse can be will cancel each other. So I get y is equal to implies y is equal to a plus b. Now my question is very simple. I will substitute the value of a and b. You can look up there. So y is equal to a was sine inverse of. You can look up there. You have substituted a is equal to what? Sine inverse of x squared. Sine inverse of x squared plus b was sine inverse of. Now differentiating both sides after simplifying, differentiating both sides WRTX with respect. So we get dy by dx. Tan inverse x will be square root of 1 minus x squared, and in place of x you have x squared, like x square square. And using chain rule, you will differentiate this x square again. So the derivative of x square is 2x. And plus derivative of sine inverse x, we have the formula under root 1 minus x square. Same formula. Here in place of x, you have x square, so you applied the chain rule. Okay, so what you getting from here? I think you got the answer. So this means dy by dx is, is equal to 2x by square root 1 minus x4 plus 1 by square root. This is what you had to prove. Actually, this quantity was shown on the left hand side, so we can write it dy by dx equal to, sorry, dy by dx minus quantity comes on the left hand side under root 1 minus x4 is equal to 1 by square root of minus and